If you want to publish a survey on SurveyMonkey, this guide will walk you through the exact steps so you can get your survey live and ready to share in just a few minutes. Whether you're collecting customer feedback, running a school project, or gathering responses for a business form, publishing your survey correctly is the step that makes it available to your audience. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software how-to videos. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account if you haven't already. After you're logged in, look for the survey you want to publish. If you have multiple surveys in your dashboard, take a moment to click the correct one so you don't publish the wrong survey by mistake. When your survey opens, go to the top right corner and click Publish Survey. This is the main button that starts the publishing process. SurveyMonkey will now take you to the sharing and collection options for that survey. From here, you'll choose how you want people to access it. Next, click Share a Link. This option is useful when you want to send your survey through email, text message, social media, or even paste it into a website. It creates a direct survey link that respondents can click to open your survey instantly. If you're planning to share your survey broadly, this is usually the easiest and fastest method. After selecting the link option, SurveyMonkey will generate your unique survey link. Look for the copy button and click it to copy the link to your clipboard. Once copied, you can paste it wherever you need it, whether that's in an email campaign, a team chat, a social post, or a website form. This is the final step that makes your survey ready to distribute. Before you share it, it's always a good idea to double check that the survey is published and the settings look correct. Make sure the link is active, and if needed, review any access settings, collection rules, or response limits you may have set up. That way, when people start clicking the link, everything works smoothly and your responses are collected properly, and that's it. You've now learned how to publish a survey on SurveyMonkey and copy the shareable link so you can start collecting responses right away. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.